I really appreciate you all coming out for this really momentous event.
We are celebrating today the demolition. We will be celebrating soon a groundbreaking.
We will see a flurry of activity in the coming months as utilities are marked and disconnected and Reclaim, our contractor for the project, begins to mobilize equipment in the area. In the end, 58 structures will be demolished and the land restored for future development in the next 180 days.
Look around this area. This is going to change downtown Morgantown, the vision of Morgantown, the concept of Monongalia County.
We've been working on this project for 3.5 years, and so this is really where the project starts.
We can potentially have the biggest private investment project that's ever happened in Morgantown.
It's about creating, we estimate, somewhere in the neighborhood of $100 million worth of development on this property at full build out. Development that really provides additional services, living opportunities, walkability, connectivity, really one of those developments you look at and you say, oh, I'm glad that's in my community.
When is the last time you would see the city, the county, WVU, and Dave Biafora sitting down at the same time, all working together?
This will make a huge difference for our students, for our faculty, our staff, but it will make a huge difference for the community. No university is more entwined and more cheek to jowl with this community than is West Virginia University and the City of Morgantown. So this is a great day for us.